Hey guys, this is Bianca from The Bianca Style. I'm here at Sincerely ALC shooting some looks for Coachella with our makeup artist, Makeup by Hazel, so stay tuned to see more. Okay, so the first step is filling in the brows. I'm using the Morphe Brow 8 palette. And first we're gonna fill it in with powder and then clean it up with concealer. So now I'm going in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-hour eye primer. So now for her eyeshadow, we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Now I'm like, with the eye. So the first shade I'm going in with is called Burnt Orange. So now the way that I'm going to blend in the second color is by doing windshield motions. I'm going to drag it out as far out as I can because I want this look to be very dramatic. My advice is to always go in with a soft hand. You never want to go in hard right away because then it's harder to blend out. So if you start using with a little bit of product, it's way easier to blend out. Rather you picking up a lot of product and making a big mess. So now the next shade I'm going in with is called Cypress Umber. We're going to use that shade to create some depth to the eyeshadow. So now we're going in with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Wanderlust. And I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with the shade Crystal in the Violet Voss Pro palette. I'm putting that in her inner corners to brighten up the look. So now I'm going in with this liquid glitter by Pixi. It's called Liquid Fairy Lights in Crystaline. And I'm putting this over the shadow for a pop of glitter. So now I'm going in with the Tarte Clay Paint Liner and I'm gonna do a wing on her. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with a little bit of mascara before putting on the lashes so it blends better. I'm using the Loreal Voluminous mascara. Like that. That. Before I apply false lashes, I like to let the glue sit for about 30 seconds. It just makes it tacky and easier for the glue to stay on hold. The lashes I'm using are called Bellina Lashes. So now I'm going in with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. She already has great skin, so it's gonna make her skin even more perfect, if that's even possible. I like using this whenever I'm using stick foundations because stick foundations tend to be drying, so this helps blend it out very easily. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in tan. Contour with another Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, and I am going to be using the shade Ebony. So for the contour, I don't like bringing it out all the way because it's just harder to contour and it looks better, in my opinion. For the nose contour, remember a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to put too much because it's just harder to blend out and you're going to end up making it look muddy and messy. A trick I like doing is putting contour under and over the lips, which creates an illusion as a fuller look. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using a Real Techniques blender. Oh, and you have to make sure it's damp. Okay, so now I'm mixing in two concealers. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. Like that. I'm using the darker shade first to cover her dark circles, and then the second concealer to brighten it up. Okay. And I'm blending this with my Real Techniques sponge. I'm putting the lighter shade where the light would hit her face. This is what gives the contouring and highlighting illusion. Now to set the face, I am going to be using RCMA No Color Powder. Okay. I'm not really going to bake with this. I'm just going to set it, and as soon as I'm done setting, I swipe it away. Rather than swiping away, I try really patting in the powder, because if you swipe, you're in a way moving the foundation, and you don't want that after all the hard work of blending. So now I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and now we're gonna set her contour. So now I'm using this Becca highlight. It's really weird because I use a highlight as a blush, but it's so pretty. This is in rose gold. Okay, so when you place adhesive, make sure that you use a brush you don't really care about, because you're most likely gonna damage it. You wanna make sure you get it right in the center. Ooh, it's so pretty. Now to add some dimension to the look, I'm going to add pops of glitter around the gems, going back with the Stila Diamond Dust Glitter. So you just want to get that in little gaps. Spread it out so it doesn't look all clumpy. So I'm using the color Cognac from the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette in neutral.
Okay guys, so this is a final look. I did some beach waves after this gorgeous makeup by Makeup by Hazel. So now we're ready to pick up some outfits and go shooting.